Today we'll be drawing a watermelon. Let's get started. We're going to start with the circle eyes. I'll draw a medium-sized circle on one side of the paper, and then the same size circle a little further apart. Once you have your two circles, we could draw the insides. It's going to be a small circle on the top like this, and the same thing on the other side. With these done, we're going to draw two smaller circles inside. And that should be the start of the eyes. Now we just need to color them in. Avoid coloring in the small circles because those are going to be the highlights. We're almost there. Once your eyes are complete, we can move over to the mouth. It's going to be right in the center, and it's going to be a lima bean shape. So just start from the middle. Go up, down, and then connect to finish the lima bean shape. Now we can add a little tooth. But adding a line right down the middle. With the face complete, we can move over to the outside of the watermelon. We're going to go from the top left a little bit around here. We're going to swoop all the way through. Follow along. Once you get to the middle point, we can continue downwards to up. And then we're going to end around here, so I'm going to start from over here and then finish it by going all the way down to meet up with the bottom line. Like that. And then now we could draw the top of the watermelon. There's going to be a slight curve all the way across. Just connect there. Now we could draw the pink part. It's going to start right here, and we're not going to follow the outside line. We're going to actually just leave a little space for the green part of the watermelon. So you want to go down a little bit close to the eye, and then continue across like so. With that done, we're going to separate the pink from the white, and then we're going to leave the final place for the green of the watermelon. To do that, we're going to start around here and then leave a little space. We're just following the pink line we had earlier and just drawing it on the outside. And then go here and connect it to the final spot. Like so. And with that done, we can draw the stripes of the watermelon. It's just going to be some squiggly lines throughout the bottom. Make sure to leave a little bit of space in between. And last but not least, we just need the watermelon seeds. So we're just gonna add these seeds, one up here. And then just go along the top of the head and add each seed in. And we could go ahead and color in each seed. And there you have it, a perfect drawing of a cute little watermelon. Now let's add a little bit of color. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials weekly.